Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Cube Models Worksheet. So this video presents a single worksheet and we're looking at isometric views of cube models, and we're going to practice drawing plane views associated with these isometric models. Now, if you're not sure how to start or what to do, there is a lesson on this particular topic, and on the next slide there's a direction which tells you to click on a particular link, and that link will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So here we're asked to draw three separate plane views for each of the following cube models. So we discussed in the lesson how this is very popular, for example, when architects draw a house. They definitely have different views of the house, a front view, a side view, a top view, etc. That allows the builder to build a house. So it's similar here. So what we're asking, for example, for number one, I'll just use that as an example. The three separate views you could do, just pretend you're looking at that construction from that side. So you draw what you see. Next, you could look at the construction from there, the top side, and you can draw what you see. And thirdly, you might choose to look at the construction from that side, and then you draw what you see. So these three views are what we call plane views. They are two-dimensional. That's why we call them plane views. You just need a piece of paper to draw them, and they just have a length and a width, that's all. And you do the same for each one of these. It's up to you where you want to view the solid from, as long as you view it from three different sides. Over here it's very similar. It's just that the four solids are a little bit more challenging, but it's exactly the same idea. So draw three separate plane views for each of the following cube models. So for example, you might choose to look from that side there. You might choose to look from the top, and you might choose to look from there. And it's exactly the same for all of these. So there's not a lot of choice. Basically, when you look at it, you do have a lot of different ways of viewing this. So the back and the front is 2, that side and that side is 4, top and bottom is 6. So really you've got 6 different choices, but just pick 3. And it's exactly the same as that. So this video has produced a very simple worksheet, enabling us to draw different views of given cube models. And if you're still not 100% sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link. Click on the link and it will take you to the lesson, and it will explain exactly how to do each and every one of these examples.